will do, and welcome to this Lightroom Classic CC tutorial. In this tutorial, it's really quick, really simple. I'm going to show you how to saturate the whole picture and then just bring back one color. It's really simple. I've already made some sort of adjustments to this image here of this telephone box, using the telephone box because it's really simple. So what I would suggest is, if you are going to make the adjustments, make them first before you desaturate the image. So let me just drag down this masking of the sharpness, just to get the image how we want. So then we know the image is how we want before we remove all the saturation. Now, to remove all the saturation, I'm just going to open up the HSL color swatch here, or HSL swatch here, and then I'm going to go to saturation, and then I'm just going to drag all the sliders back to the start. You could just adjust them here by putting -100 as well, and you could go down and do it all like this, or like I said, the quickest way is just to drag the sliders, click maybe near towards the end, and then just drag it down the rest of the way. So you can see that the image is desaturated. Now, what most people might want to do is to get these reds back, is to drag the red saturation slider back up. But what this tends to do, because we've made some adjustments to it, making some adjustments to the image, we'll make some adjustments to the other colors as well. So the way we get the true color of this phone box back is click the little select button here on the left hand side, and drag it to part of the telephone box, left click, and then just drag that saturation up. And what you'll see is it drags up the red and the orange, so it just shows that we had red and orange in this image. Now you could just drag it up to whatever sort of saturation levels that you're happy with. I would probably be happy with something around this level here, and if you wanted to, you could then go through and sort of paint these parts out in the brushes. I brush these parts out, and let me show you. I'm just going to zoom in to this image here. I'm going to drag my image over here. Let's say, for instance, I wanted the saturation on these bits gone as well. Don't know why you would want to do that, but let me just show you how to do that. We go up and select a brush, get a brush, drag the saturation down, and then just brush out the parts of the image that we want to. So this would take away the red look. Okay, so take away any of the red, and you can Command and Z to undo that. But yeah, that's the way you would do that. So quickly, just again, let me zoom back out, just because it's really quick. Drag the selection brush here on the HSL slider, and then put it on the location that you want the color to come back in, and just slide up the way until you're happy with that. Until you're happy with that color. That's the way you do it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll catch you all soon for some more Lightroom tutorials.